Hi, I'm John. I'm a librarian at ZSR. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find scholarly journal articles using EBSCO databases from the library. I'll show you how to find our databases, search multiple databases at once, and filter your search results to find the best resources. You may be asking, what's EBSCO? EBSCO is a company that sells and manages subscriptions to databases. ZSR and other libraries purchase a lot of databases from EBSCO, which we then make accessible to you. EBSCO databases are just a handful of the more than 370 databases offered through ZSR. Let's get started. Let's say that your professor has asked you to find scholarly journal articles to answer a research question. Our question today will be, what impact does caffeine consumption have on college students? We'll start our search with the multi-subject database Academic Search Premier. Academic Search Premier includes resources that talk about a bunch of different topics, so it can be a great place to begin your research. It also includes many different types of resources, like book chapters, scholarly journal articles, magazine and newspaper articles, and conference proceedings. So let's go to our list of databases. If you're on the ZSR homepage, which is zsr.wfu.edu, you can get to our databases by clicking here under the search bar, where it says databases. From anywhere else on our website, you can always use the global navigation bar at the top of the page by clicking Find and then Databases. They go to the same place. On our Find a Database page, go to the Find by Name tab, and you'll see a list of some of our most commonly used databases. Select Academic Search Premier. Here's the main search page for Academic Search Premier. Since we get our access to this database through EBSCO, we're using EBSCO's search interface to find resources. If I head up here to Choose Databases, I can actually search for articles in multiple EBSCO databases at the same time. Since this is a medical topic, let's include some subject-specific databases that focus on medicine and psychology. I'll include Health Source Consumer Edition, Health Source Academic/Nursing Edition, and APA Psych Info. Now we're searching for databases at the same time. Now don't go wild with this. If we search through too many databases at once, we'll probably get a lot of irrelevant search results. Just a few carefully selected databases will do just fine. Let's start our search. You'll note that we have multiple search boxes here that we can use to build a pretty complex search. In this video, we're just going to do a simple keyword search about our topic. In the next video, I'll show you some pro tips to build a really great advanced search with this interface. For now, let's just think about the keywords in our research question. We can probably boil it down to caffeine and college students. I'll give each of our keywords their own box. Now we have an opportunity to tell the databases what kind of results we want. Remember, this isn't like Google. Academic Search Premier has not tracked all of your behavior on the internet to build a profile of exactly what you want. We're going to have to tell it ourselves. Since your instructor has asked you to find scholarly journal articles, scroll down and limit your results to scholarly peer-reviewed articles. Let's also tell it that we only want to see articles from the last 20 years. Anything before that will probably be too out of date. We'll leave everything else as is. With our search ready, I'll click on Search up here, and here's our list of results. We've got scholarly journal articles from the last 20 years that match our keywords of caffeine and college students. Our results are ordered by relevance, which works well for most topics. You might also be interested in seeing the most recent articles too, in which case you can select Date Newest to reorder your results. Once you have your list of scholarly journal articles, be sure to comb through all of them for the best articles to use in your assignment. That's it for this video. We talked about how to use EBSCO databases to find scholarly journal articles. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to do a really powerful advanced search that will make it even faster and easier to find relevant results. If you have questions about searching library databases, email us at AskZSR.wfu.edu. That's AskZSR.wfu.edu. See you next time.